Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be doing an unboxing of the Oh Hello box. This actually launches, I believe, tomorrow, so I'm going to really try and get this video up tonight. I am one of the PR members for Oh Hello, and I got early access to this box so I could, check it out and do a review. So these are new. Oh Hello just started doing these this year. So I'm going to open this up and show you guys what this box comes with. They're more of like a lifestyle box rather than like planner specific. So you do get planner stuff in here, but you get also some like lifestyle stuff too, so that's really cool. So when I open this up, I'm going to try and do this so you can see. It actually worked really nicely. This is what the inside of the box looks like. You get the card, which has your contents on the box. Its total value is $101, which is awesome. Then there's this little sticker here that is holding everything in place, and then once you remove the paper here, this is what everything looks like. So I'll step through what each of the items are that you get and how you can purchase this if you're interested. So the first thing I see here is a rubber ducky that says Oh Hello on it. I don't have a bathtub, so I'm not really sure what I will do with this, to be honest with you. The theme for this month's box, is finding the perfect balance between working hard and playing hard. You're supposed to go after your goals. So this is probably for like relaxing. So this little pouch is a relaxation kit, and it says making your life simply beautiful. And I'm going to open this up and see what's in here. So there's a couple of things. So you get 2 tea bags of just premium green tea. That's awesome. I will bring these to work with me because I love green tea and I like to drink it at work and at home. So I will hold on to these. Then you get these 2 Soapy Creek handmade soaps. And these are cinnamon sugar pie. So these are from an Etsy shop. I'll try and link it below. But these are made with pretty good ingredients, and you get 2 of them, so that's really cool. And then you get a pumice stone, which every girl needs one of these to maintain your nails. So that is fantastic. So that's what came in the little self-relaxation kit. I'm going to put that off to the side. So that was valued at $14. Then you get a notepad, and this is the Head in the Clouds notepad, which is $6. So this says Head in the Clouds, Feet on the Ground. Just a nice notepad to have. You can't have too many of these, and as you can see, the quote is on the bottom. Next, we have a sticker sheet. These are quote stickers. So it says, you didn't come this far to only come this far. Hello gorgeous, turn dreams into plans. That same quote that was on the notepad. It doesn't happen overnight. Do what you love. So that is just a singular sticker sheet. So like I said, not totally planner related. So yeah, here is something very special. So this is a B6 heathered notebook. Cool. So it says you didn't come this far to only come this far. My cats are currently playing in my office. And when you open it up, it's just a lined notebook. So it has just a bunch of lines. There is a marker here so you can mark your page. There's a pen loop, which is really nice on here. And then there's also this elastic so you can just close the book as such. So this is a really nice notebook, and I think it's professional enough where you could use it in the workplace. I might do that because I actually need a new work notebook. So this actually came at the perfect time. Let's see, what else here? We have a pin. This is the Head in the Clouds pin. So it's a cloud with like little feet on it. That's super cute. I am not a huge pin person myself, so I might put this in like a giveaway pile. Enamel pins just aren't my thing, to be totally honest with you. So this is one thing I will honestly say that I don't care for. Next, there is a pen. And this is just a gel pen that says Turn Dreams into Plans. It would match very nicely with the notebook. I will quickly show you how this writes. I'll just use like a page in the back. So let's see. To take the little, they always come with these little bead things on them. You gotta remember to take off. All right, there we go. Put that in my trash. So let's just try this out real quick. pretty nice. It feels kind of like rough. I don't know if that's the right word to use when describing a pen test, but I like it a lot. So let's just try. And let's see if that first line is dried. Oh, okay, very cool. It dried pretty quickly. So that is awesome. I'm just gonna put that right in the pen loop. Right here. And that complements the journal very nicely. So that's an awesome combo there. Then we have 2 EOS lip balms. Now, I have never used EOS lip balms, so this is really cool to me. So this one says Hello Gorgeous, and this one also says Hello Gorgeous. One is green, and one is pink. So I don't know if they're like, this one's minty and that one's fruity. I'm totally honest, I've never used an EOS lip balm. I know, they've been so popular in the beauty community for like forever, and I never ever tried one. Not even like the egg-shaped ones. So this is what it looks like, and it just twists up. It's that, yeah, that's definitely minty. Cool. So I needed some new chapsticks, so that's awesome to have. And then this one, I will try and take the packaging off. It's not too difficult. My cats are playing, so if you hear some noise, that is why. I'm also sitting in my office, which faces the main road, so that's why it might also be noisy. So here's the other one. Let's twist this up. Oh, it's still clear. But this one definitely has a fruity smell. So those are the 2 EOS lip balms you get. Very cool. And those are valued at $14. The next thing I see here is a little makeup bag, and this just says Oh Hello on it. This is actually a really big bag. It's even bigger than the bags that come in the Simply Gilded boxes. So you could fit a ton in here. You could almost fit everything that came in this box in here. I wonder if the notebook fits in it. Let me see. I'm gonna try. So let's see here. No, that doesn't fit. Let's see if the pen and paper do. Or the notebook does. Yeah, so the notepad fits. I just slid it right in there. So I love little pouches like this. So I might transfer my, it's not lined, so that's the one thing to note. It's just the same fabric on the inside. So I would, not sure what I would use this for. You could definitely use it to carry makeup. You could use it to carry like notepads and pens and stuff. I'm not sure if I would use this for a makeup bag, but you could definitely use it like if you're traveling to keep like your intimates in here, like your socks and your underwear and stuff. I think it could be great for that. But really you could use this for anything. So this is really nice. It's a very nice quality too. I love the zipper. And that pouch is $16. And the last thing that comes in here is the quote wall pendant. So I'm gonna try and demonstrate this. So there's a string here that you would hang from like a nail, and then you get this like burlap flag that says it doesn't happen overnight. So I might hang this in my office because I have no decor in here and I think this would look nice. So let me just kind of put everything back in here so you guys can see. So you get the flag, the notepad, the notebook, the pen, the lip balms, the pin. Actually, let's put the pouch back in here first. So you have the pouch, the EOS lip balms, the pin, the stickers. You get the little relaxation kit, which I'm just going to put back in here. So you get the relaxation kit and then the rubber ducky. So all of that is valued at $101. I believe these boxes cost $44.95. If that's not correct, I'll make sure to put a little bit of a card here or something to say that. But yeah, that's everything that comes in the February Oh Hello box. If you guys are interested in purchasing this, make sure you head over to ohhelloco.com. You're not allowed to use discount codes or anything, but I will leave a link to their website in the description box below. So I hope you guys enjoyed this unboxing. Make sure you give this video a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that little bell so you're notified every time I upload a new video, and I will see you in my next one. Bye!